congratulations.
You're looking beautiful. You're looking beautiful. Last year, is that last year we met here?
Yes.
Last year for the award. Is that last year?
It was, yes.
Last year you was nominated,
Yes,
isn't
I
it?
was.
And they gave you some.
Yes, they gave me the the best restaurant award of the year.
Oh, I remember that day you said you want Nigerian music.
And we're dancing to it.
Okay, Christmas is coming around the corner. I just want you to advise people, if you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. You have to comport yourself. Accidents around the road home here and abroad our country. So I want you to just advise people about the Christmas.
Yeah, okay. You know, we are all celebrating Christmas in a few weeks' time. I will advise everybody to go have fun, but don't drink and drive. Enjoy yourself because life is once and you should celebrate yourself as well. So, but as a caterer, we advise to eat good food. Eat your fufu, plantain and everything. But make sure you don't overdrink and look after yourself.
Okay. Goodbye. Greet your family and friends also. Send your greetings to your family and friends. You can greet your mother, your father, your church members, your husband, everyone.
Yeah. So I'm using this opportunity to say a wonderful Merry Christmas to everyone, my family in Nigeria and here in Milton Keynes as well, my kids, my husband, friends and family that have supported Asa Food for a long time. And to everyone here, I say thank you. I'm wishing you all a wonderful, wonderful 2026. God bless.
God bless you too. Bye-bye. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm great, Julie. Is it Julie, yes?
What's your name?
Seshni.
Tell us the reason why you're here.
Well, I'm so excited to be here, Julie. You know, to be here for Nana's event, the Black Excellence Award here in Milton Keynes intellectually. And I've nominated a few people. My friend Yvonne Michelle, she's a performer and a social influencer. I've nominated Trevor Blackman, Lyndon Wizard, and also I nominated Emmanuel F4. So I've nominated a few people and I've come on behalf of them. If any of them win, I will accept the award for them.
Well, okay, good. What do you want to tell the organizer who organized this program?
Oh, I want to say, Nana, you are absolutely amazing, and I've known you for this year, and being part of your project, working with you on the Jacksons of Milton Keynes, helping you with the script writing, and also supporting you for events at the House of Lords in Westminster, and then this event. Nana, you're an absolutely amazing person. You've connected us all together, and you've got such an amazing, beautiful, kind, compassionate heart, and I know that you are helping so many people by celebrating this tonight, Black Excellence Award. A lot of people need that celebration, they need that encouragement, and they need that, something to show that they've actually achieved something. And this is what you are doing, Nana. You are helping uplift so many people through your work, and not just in this awards, but in so many other aspects, with your filming, with your script writing, and with all the other media work you do, and community work, events as well, supporting good causes like prostate cancer and diabetes and other physical health problems, and fashion shows. So Nana, you are so talented and so amazing. I want to wish you all the best for Christmas and for 2026 for you and your family as well. Thank you.
Good, okay. I want you to greet a family. I want you to greet a family and friends. Say hello to family and friends.
Okay.
Greet them. You can greet your mother, your father, your husband, friends, church members.
So
Okay.
your name is Julie Juu.
Yeah, Julie Juu.
Julie Juu. Okay. Alright, so I want to greet all my families and friends, everyone